So friends, Vivo is all set to launch its first foldable smartphone in India, the Vivo Fold 3 Pro, at a launch event on 6 June. The smartphone is confirmed to be powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 SoC and paired with a secondary V3 chip. The foldable device is expected to come with a 5700 mAh battery, G's optics and a number of AI features powered by Google's Gemini. The Vivo X Fold 3 Pro was launched in China in March at a starting price of 9,999 yuan, and which is roughly equivalent to 1,70,000. However, we will have to wait for an official price announcement from Vivo to know how much the phone will cost in the Indian market. The China variant of Vivo X Fold 3 Pro features an 8.03-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 2200 x 2480 pixels, 120Hz variable refresh rate and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Meanwhile, the phone also features a 6.53-inch AMOLED outer display with a resolution of 1172 x 2748 pixels. The smartphone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset based on the 4nm process and is paired with an Adreno 750 GPU to handle all the graphics intensive tasks. In terms of storage, the phone comes with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0. In terms of optics, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro comes with a triple camera setup including a 50 megapixel primary sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 64 MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. There is also a 32 MP shooter on the front for taking selfies and video calls. The phone comes with a massive 5700 mAh battery with 100 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.